Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to reserve a business username if your WhatsApp number is on Coexistence. Quick context before we start. A username is a new way for your customers to message you without needing your phone number. Your phone number will still show up on your profile as usual, so this is just an extra, easier way for people to reach you. And don't worry, this whole process only takes a minute. Since your number is on Coexistence, you won't do this on the web. You'll do it right from the WhatsApp Business app on your phone. Let's get started. Open the WhatsApp Business app, tap Settings, then tap Accounts. Now tap Business Username. You'll see an option to reserve a username. Go ahead and tap that. At this point, WhatsApp will show you a few suggested usernames. If your Instagram account and Facebook page are already linked, these suggestions will be based on those. Already have something linked? Great, just pick a suggestion you like. If they're not linked yet, that's completely fine too. Just tap to create your own custom username instead and type in whatever you'd like your customers to see. Once you've chosen your username, go ahead and submit it. You'll then see a message that says usernames are coming soon. That's totally normal, it just means the feature is still rolling out. You don't need to do anything else. Meta will notify you the moment your username is ready to use.